So it's not a secret that YouTube Shorts don't pay well. So how do you actually make money with YouTube Shorts? So just to give you guys an idea of what I'm currently working with, these are my real-time analytics. As you can see, within the last 48 hours, my channel got over 8,000 views. Within the last 60 minutes, almost 200 views. And you can just take a look at what videos are actually getting views. So this right here is a short, and within the last 48 hours got almost 1,000 views. This is also a short, 800 views within the last 48 hours. 600 views within the last 40 hours, and I just published another YouTube short, and within the last 48 hours got almost 500 views, well 450 right now, and within the last 60 minutes 11 views. So for whatever reason, YouTube is currently pushing out my YouTube shorts, even some of my older ones here. As you can see, some of these were made back in 2023, and we could just take a quick look at the data for this one. So within the last 48 hours, 800 views, and I have 40,000 views overall. And as you can see, I didn't really make a lot with YouTube AdSense. Just from 40,000 views, got $5.29. So what is this doing for me? You can see that it's actually being found through YouTube search, which is really interesting to see. So this could be an evergreen video, meaning like this is a video that's going to consistently get views as the years goes on. So pretty awesome for me. So what am I doing to increase my revenue? Because even though this is always getting views, like I only made $5 from this. So under YouTube Studio, and when you could edit your videos, like your title, your description, and everything, there is a section here for YouTube Shorts that says related video. So you could add any one of your long form videos, or even a short if you want, onto the section. So when people are watching the YouTube short, let me open it up here, they will actually be redirected to one of your longer videos. As you can see right here, if somebody clicks on this hyperlink, it will go to one of my long form videos. And just to show you guys the analytics for the long form video, as you guys can see, this video got 250 views, and it made $1.81. I know that might not seem a lot, but it is going to consistently get views from the related shorts feed. As you can see, 57% of my views for this video within the last 40 hours is from YouTube Shorts. And let's go under the revenue section here. So like I said, it made $1.81, but if you scroll down, and we're taking a look at the views per thousand, right, the RPM. So for every 1,000 views up to this point, this video has gotten like $7.17 just for every 1,000 views. And just how much advertisers are willing to pay for a video like this, $14. And if we just go back to the short here that we were just talking about, let's go under the revenue tab for this one. So going down, so you see we're under the shorts feed, and for every 1,000 views on this YouTube short, I would only be getting paid 13 cents. So just comparing the two, I mean, would you rather be paid 13 cents or $7? I mean, it's pretty obvious. So any traction that I could actually get from this YouTube short, and like I said, it just keeps getting views on the back end. So every day it's getting like 400 views. If even like 100 of those people go over to my longer form video every day, then I could stand to make a decent amount of money, especially since, you know, I have multiple shorts that are working for me at this point. I have all of them being sent to a long form video, and with a higher CPM. Even this one here, 36,000 views. This one made $3.41. And let's see, what are we pushing this one to? Yeah, it's being pushed to the same video. So I know that that video has a high RPM, you know, high amount being paid per 1,000 views, which is why I'm sending more traffic to that one. So let's just take a look at my more recent one. So this video got 1,100 views, gave me 3 subscribers, and YouTube only paid me 11 cents for this one. And again, for every 1,000 views, it looks like the RPM is going up. So for every 1,000 views on this one, the RPM was 20 cents. So shorts, the ads being played on shorts are increasing. So I have a feeling if I really focus up on making more higher quality YouTube shorts as time goes on, then I really do feel like revenue for this channel could go up and just be an early adaptation to, or adopt, wow, what am I trying to say? Be an early adapter to the changes on the platform, because YouTube, since Shorts is so new, YouTube is going to be pushing Shorts, and eventually advertisers are going to be like, okay, a lot of people are watching short form content, so we want to place ads on the short form content, and the creators that are making the shorts will be paid more. So it's just playing the long game at this point. I'm just trying to build an audience that are actually watching my shorts, and who knows, some of those people that are watching the YouTube shorts might watch one of my longer form videos, in which case I would get paid more for that view. So that's what I'm working on. And even if you're not monetized, say you make a review video of some kind, you could send your shorts traffic to a long form video of that review, and if you have an Amazon affiliate link in the description, they click on that link, they purchase the product, you get the commission. So there's just so much opportunity with YouTube and YouTube shorts. I just love what I'm seeing here. I actually debated like starting different shorts channels, but at this point I'm just trying to build this channel and my 3 other channels. So once my 2 other channels are monetized, I might consider starting a 5th. I don't know. There's just so many things that we could do here, and it's just experimenting with a bunch of different things. As you can see, I started experimenting with like news related videos, and let's just see how well they're doing. So this video here, 65 views. Let's see how much this would have been paid. All right, so this one wouldn't have been a high paying one. Advertisers were only paid $6 per thousand there. For this one here, this one was higher. So this one is a 19. I got paid like 11,000 or 11 per thousand, or I would be. And this one here, so it fluctuates so heavily that you never know what you're going to get paid depending on the topic and whatnot. So yeah, I hope this gave you some insights on how to actually make money using YouTube shorts. Create a YouTube short, get views, push it to your long form content, and get paid through ads on your long form content or through affiliate links. However you could generate some income using your long form content. Treat YouTube shorts as kind of like, an advertisement, like just without having to actually pay for an ad. You kind of have a small little like teaser ad that you can send to one of your other videos and make money that way. So hope this video helped out. If it did, hit that like button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.